computer is very, very, it's almost available to everybody right now. It is going to help to alleviate a little bit of your stress of having to manage this stuff, just in a manual or a notebook. If you could put it on an Excel document, it would really, really make it very easy for you. But more than that, though, I think with any type of data, if you could look at your trend, then you could really see how your program is working. And this is my question. So for those of us that are school leaders, what do you do now to gauge how you prepare your cohort of students to do better than the next cohort? And let me just clarify that question. So if your students that took your WAEC last year made a 60%, and the ones that took it 2 years ago made 70% or 68%, how do you make a prediction of what the next cohort is going to do?
Forecasting.
Right. Okay, so how do you make that, but how do you make that based on study data, on your current study data? What do you guys do now? I mean, because do you just kind of hope that they're going to make 70%, or is there some way that you are able to actually look to say, in the last 3 years, this is what has been happening with students in my mathematics program, or in my English program, or in my social studies program. And this is the changes that I want to make.
And then advise them on how to go about it. Maybe if they've not been using instructional materials, like teaching aids, or they've not been a situation where they're expected to bring real objects for students to observe, for students to see, we advise. And then situations where we don't have reference textbooks, schools buy, keep in the library. Because we are handicapped, we have paucity of funds. So we buy the little we can afford and keep in the library for both teacher and student use. These are some of the